my name's Nigel, and I will be showing you how to green screen some things today. How's that? With After Effects open, let's go ahead and drag our footage that utilizes a green screen. Let's center that composition. And let's go ahead and isolate a good part of this scene that we want to use. Oh, sexy. Okay. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Let's go ahead and head over to the effects panel, and we're going to be using 3 separate effects. The first one is called Keylight. Apply that with a double click. Key cleaner. And the last one is advanced spill suppressor. And as you can see, these effects are already beginning to take hold. There are still a couple of more steps we're going to need to take in order for this to look decent. We're going to highlight the Keylight effect over in our effects controls panel, and we're going to head down to Screen Matte. Inside of Screen Matte, you will see 2 modules that you can control: clip black and clip white. We're going to change the number of clip white to 50, and we're going to change clip black to 50, excuse me, and we're going to change clip white to 91. From here on, we're going to actually disable the advanced spill suppressor only so that we can see a bit of our original footage. We're going to use the eyedropper tool here to decide which color green we're going to mask out. Let's just choose a center green, and we're going to apply the advanced spill suppressor just to clean up some things. And as you can see, the greens have been removed from the scene.